introducing the installation methods for two Phaetus Hotends compatible with the A1 printer. These are the M4 nozzle detachable version and the Plus all-in-one Hotend. Please follow the video tutorial to install the Hotend according to the specific product you are using. First, remove the original Hotend from the machine. Version installation guide. Please install the Plus version Hotend according to the video tutorial. Please note that the Plus version features an integrated silicon carbide nozzle. During use, avoid cleaning with sharp metal tools, ultrasonic cleaning, high-temperature baking, or forceful unclogging. When filament buildup occurs on the nozzle, heat the nozzle to 250 degrees Celsius to soften the residual material on the surface. Then wipe it clean with a damp tissue or a soft bristle brush. When poor extrusion or clogging occurs, please follow the method shown in the illustration to resolve the issue. M4 version installation guide. After removing the original Hotend from the machine, install the M4 Hotend. Adjust the nozzle temperature so that it falls within the range of 200 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Once the temperature is reached, remove the Hotend. Please use tools to handle the Hotend to avoid burns or injury. Remove the Hotend. Using the tool that came with it, firmly tighten the nozzle. Once the nozzle is tightened, reinstall the Hotend assembly onto the machine. That's all for this installation tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through our official channels.